Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, the honorable examiner, Miss Mira Esplanta and Mr. Chandra Gunawan, and my supervisor, Mr. Rizky Priya Pratama. I will presentation my thesis and the detail, accuracy, and responsiveness analysis of a speedometer remote kill switch on a smartphone-based speedometer system for electric vehicle. I, Helvi Widanto, and this is my presentation. And research to background my thesis. And point one, electric vehicle require informative real-time monitoring of operation parameter. And point two, conventional speedometer generally display only basic information such as speed and battery status. And point three, the photo controller content voltage, current, RPM, temperature, and valve code data. And point four, remote vehicle security also requires a fast and responsive shutdown function for the kill switch. The last point, this research developed a smartphone-based speedometer with real-time monitoring and remote kill switch feature. And the next, statement of the problem. Problem number one, how to can ESP32 translate hexadecimal UART data from the photo to controller AM to real-time vehicle parameters, parameter voltage, RPM, and temperature. And the point two, how to can BLE and Wi-Fi combination be integrated to transmit vehicle data to Android smartphone. And number three, how to responsiveness the Wi-Fi based remote kill switch at a different communication distance. Next. And this is my research limitation. Based on the background and research problem described above, this study has the following limitation. Limitation 1, this research is limited to the photo only series. The point 2, the display data include voltage, current, motor speed, RPM, temperature, and code error only. And the point 3, responsiveness testing is conducted on the remote kill switch feature using Wi-Fi communication at various test distance in outdoor environment. And my resource set of the art, the research one, thesis Algibari and Hartoyo. And the title, motorcycle RPM motor using photo communication protocol hexadecimal controller real-time based in IoT. Reference, static LCD display without smartphone integration and photo data parsing and Wi-Fi integration for my thesis. And the next research, Pratama and Aziz, and the title, connected vehicle speedometer and odometer based on Bluetooth, limited Arduino Uno processing and passive monitoring system. And the reference from Aziz and Pratama, Bluetooth and Android integration. The next research, Windarko et al. And the title, study on speed control planning for BLDC motor in vehicle electric. Photo parameter are configuration via USB without wireless communication. And the reference, photo control parameter configuration. The literature review. For component and 4 point in the literature review. Point 1, photo LM. Photo LM is a electric vehicle controller that manages motor operation and provider important telemetry data include voltage, current, RPM, temperature, and error code to send to ESP32. ESP32 is a microcontroller used to receive and process UART data from photo controller, convert hexadecimal data, and support communication BLE dan Wi-Fi to apps Android. The next, BLE and MQTT, wireless communication technology used for real-time data transmission and remote control. BLE support local communication, while BLE enable communication through internet and cloud broker. And the last little review, Android. Android is a smartphone-based interface used to display vehicle parameters in real time and provide a remote switch feature for vehicle and to display RPM, temperature, and voltage. And the methodology, and this my independent variable. I use two independent variable variation of validation motor speed RPM and distance between smartphone ESP32, and independent variable RPM error, voltage error, control temperature, remote wheel switch, and the control variable for consistent independent and variable independent electric vehicle using a Photon M controller and ESP32 microcontroller. In this RSML setup, I use ESP32 for the communication UART to Photon and the control relay for the kill off and kill end vehicle, and ESP32 communication Android via Wi-Fi and BLE. Jadi send data to Android via communication MQTT, I use broker. And the next, testing procedure. I'm for testing first RPM accuracy testing. The RPM accuracy test was conducted by comparing the RPM value display on the smartphone application with a laser tachometer. The validation motor was tested at 30 RPM, 40 RPM, and 60 RPM and 90 RPM with 30 replication at test point. Voltage accuracy testing. The voltage accuracy test conducted by combining the battery voltage display on smartphone application with a digital multimeter. Measurement with our performance 1000%, 50%, and 50% and low battery condition with a 10 replication for each condition. The percentage error was then calculated to evaluate voltage reading accuracy. And testing procedure temperature and accuracy testing. The temperature accuracy test was conducted by comparing controller temperature display on the smartphone application with a reference temperature measurement. Measurement will record similarity to the percentage error and of the temperature reading. The next, remote kill switch latency testing. The remote kill switch latency was conducted with the validation motor operating. The test distance were 1 meter, 5 meter, 10 meter, 50 meter, and 30 meters in a outdoor environment with 30 replication at its distance. Latency was calculated from the time command sent by Android application until the ACK response was received from the ESP32 time 3 using time 3 minus time 1. In this test result, the result of that system long reading error compared to laser tachometer. The average error from 1.9 to 1% to 0.26%, indication to that developed system provide accurate reading. In this test result voltage, the voltage value display on the application show only small difference compared the digital multimeter, indicating the system provider accurate and voltage reading. And temperature test result. The temperature sensor reading show an increasing trend, indicating the system incapable of monitoring temperature in real time. The latency test result. Communication latency if affected by Wi-Fi network quality and internet connectivity. As the communication distance increase, latency tries to increase. However, the system is still able to perform remote visual function properly. Ending and conclusion. Conclusion number 1. The SP32 successfully convert hexadecimal from the volatile control into readable data that can be displayed on the smartphone application. And the conclusion 2. The electric vehicle monitoring system successfully displays RPM, voltage, current, temperature, and error value in real time. And the conclusion number 3. The vehicle parameter readings show good accuracy compared to standard measuring instrument. And the last conclusion number 4. The remote kill switch successfully operated drug Wi-Fi combination with a appropriate response time to improve electric vehicle security. And thanks